Very important concept. When we say that two groups are isomorphic, consider two groups G and G dash with respect to multiplication. G and G dash are said to be isomorphic groups if there exists an isomorphism F from G into G dash. Isomorphism F from G into G dash means F satisfies three conditions. F is 1-1 mapping, F is onto mapping, and F is a homomorphism. Then we write G is isomorphic. The procedure to find the isomorphic. First, we define a relation F from G into G. Next, first we show that F is a mapping. F is a 1-1 mapping, F is onto mapping, and F is a homomorphism. Very important example. If G is equal to set of 1 minus 1, I minus I is a group with respect to multiplication, and G dash equal to set of 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar is a group with respect to addition modulo 4, then we prove that G is isomorphic to G dash. That is, G and G dash are isomorphic groups. According to the definition, first we define a relation F from G dash to G as F of 0 bar equal to 1, F of 1 bar equal to I, F of 2 bar equal to minus 1, and F of 3 bar equal. This is the relation F from G dash to G. Now we prove that the relation is isomorphism. That is, F is 1-1 mapping, F is onto mapping, and F is a homomorphism. First, we observe the diagram that all the elements in G dash having distinct images in the codomain G, and also every element in the codomain having pre-images elements in the domain G. Now we prove that F is an isomorphism from G dash to G. First one, F is 1-1 mapping. From the diagram, we observed that distinct elements in the domain G dash having distinct images in the codomain G, clearly F is 1-1. Second one, F is onto mapping. From the diagram, we also observed that every element in the codomain G having pre-image element in the domain G dash, clearly F is an onto mapping. Third one, F is a homomorphism. Take A is equal to 2 bar and B is equal to 3 bar be two elements, the domain G dash. Then F of 2 bar plus 3 bar that is equal to F of 5 bar. F of 5 bar equal to F of 1 bar, where 1 bar is the remainder when 5 is divisible by 4. Since G dash is a group with respect to addition modulo 4, F of 1 bar equal to I, and also F of 2 bar into F of 3 bar is equal to minus 1 into minus I, that is I. Therefore, F of 2 bar plus 3 bar is equal to F of 2 bar into F of 3 bar. Here, the operation dot belongs to G, the codomain, and the operation addition modulo 4 belongs to G dash, domain. Again, take A is equal to 1 bar, B is equal to 2 bar be two elements, the domain G dash. F of 1 bar plus 2 bar is equal to F of 3 bar. F of 3 bar equal to minus I, and F of 1 bar into F of 2 bar equal to I into minus 1, that is equal to minus I. Here F of 1 bar plus 2 bar equal to F of 1 bar into F of 2 bar. In general, F of A plus B is equal to F of A dot F of B for all AB belongs to G dash. The operation addition modulo 4 belongs to G dash, the domain, and the operation dot belongs to G in the codomain. Clearly, F is a homomorphism from G dash to G. Therefore, F is 1-1 mapping, onto mapping, and homomorphism from G dash to G. That gives F is an isomorphism from G dash to G. This concludes that G dash and G are isomorphic groups. This can be written as G dash is isomorphic to G, hence completed. Very important theorem. Let G be a group and A is an element in G. Define a mapping FA G to G by FA of X is equal to AX A inverse for all X belongs to G. Then prove that FA is an automorphism of G. FA is an automorphism of G means FA is an isomorphism of G. Here domain is equal to codomain is equal to G. That is, an isomorphism is itself an automorphism if domain is equal to codomain. Let the mapping FA G to G be FA of x is equal to AX A inverse for all x belongs to G is denoted by equation. Now we prove that FA is an automorphism of G. First we prove that FA is 1. Let FA of x is equal to FA of y for xy belongs to G. Since x and y are two elements in G and A is an element in G, A inverse is also an element in G. Since G is a group, by inverse property, A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to 1. Since FA of x is equal to FA of y, that gives AX A inverse is equal to AY A inverse using 1. X belongs to G, FA of x is equal to AX A inverse. By using cancellation laws, since G is a group, cancellation laws are hold in G. By using left cancellation law, A is cancel, and right cancellation law, A inverse cancel, we get x is equal to y. FA of x is equal to FA of y gives x equal to y. Clearly, FA is 1-1 mapping. Second one, FA is onto mapping. Let Q belongs to G, the domain. Then their edges. Second one, FA is onto. Let Q be an element in the codomain G. Then there exists an element P is equal to A inverse QA belongs to G domain such that FA of P is equal to FA of P is A inverse QA. That is FA of A inverse QA. By using 1, FA of x is equal to AX A inverse. Here, A into A inverse QA into A inverse, that gives A inverse into Q into A inverse, that is A inverse is equal to A inverse A equal to E, that gives E into Q into E, that is equal to Q. Therefore, every element in the codomain having a pre-image element in the domain P such that FA of P is equal to Q. Clearly, FA is an onto mapping on G. Third one, FA is a homomorphism. Let x comma y belongs to G, then xy is also belongs to G by closure property since G is a group. Since x belongs to G gives FA of x is equal to AX A inverse using 1. And y belongs to G gives FA of y is equal to AY A inverse. Now FA of xy is equal to AXY A inverse. Since x is an element in a group G, by identity property, xe is equal to ex is equal to x, where e is the identity element. X can be written as xe. That is equal to AXE y A inverse. That is equal to AX into A inverse A y A inverse. Here, by using inverse property, A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to E. That can be written as AX A inverse into AY A inverse, that is equal to FA of x into FA of y. Therefore, FA of xy is equal to FA of x into FA of y. That gives FA is a homomorphism on G. That is, FA is 1-1, FA is onto, and FA is homomorphism on G. That gives FA is an isomorphism on G. Here, domain is equal to codomain is equal to G. Then we write FA is an automorphism of G. This automorphism is known as inner automorphism of G, hence completed. Very important definition, inner automorphism. Let G be a group and A is an element in a group G. The automorphism FA G to G defined as FA of x is equal to AX A inverse for all x belongs to G is called an inner automorphism of G. We already proved that the mapping FA G to G defined as FA of x is equal to AX A inverse for all x belongs to G is an automorphism on G. Outer automorphism. An automorphism which is not inner is known as outer automorphism on a group G. Important theorem. Let G be a group. Prove that the set A of G of all automorphisms on G forms a group under the composition of mappings. Let A of G is equal to set of F such that F is an automorphism of G. F is an automorphism of G means F is an isomorphism of G. Here domain is equal to codomain is equal to G. That is, an isomorphism is itself an automorphism if domain is equal to codomain. All isomorphic functions of G belongs to A of G. First we prove that A of G is a non-empty set. Since identity mapping IG, G to G is IG of X is equal to X for all X belongs to G, clearly IG is one function, IG is onto function, and IG is a homomorphism of G. That gives IG is an automorphism of G. That gives IG belongs to A of G. This means A of G is a non-empty set. Let circle be the compositions of bijections over G. Bijections means one functions and onto functions. Now we prove that A of G is a group with respect to the composition of mappings. That is, A of G satisfies four axioms: closure, associative, identity, and inverse. First one is closure property. Let F comma G belongs to A of G. That means F and G are two automorphisms on G. Automorphism means one onto and homomorphism. Since F and G are two bijective mappings on G, then F circle G is also a bijective mapping on G. Now we prove that F circle G is a homomorphism. Since F circle G of X is equal to F of G of X, that gives F circle G of AB is equal to F of G of AB. Since G is a homomorphism on G, then it can be written as G of AB is equal to G of A into G of B. That is F of G of A into G of B. Since F is a homomorphism on G, this can be written as F of G of A into F of G of B. That is equal to F circle G of A into F circle G of B. Therefore, F circle G of AB is equal to F circle G of A into F circle G of B. This means F circle G is a homomorphism on G. Therefore, F circle G is a one mapping, onto mapping, and homomorphism on G. That gives F circle G is an automorphism on G. All automorphisms of G belongs to A of G. That gives F circle G belongs to A of G. Therefore, F comma G belongs to A of G means F circle G belongs to A of G. That gives circle is a binary operation on A of G. Second one, associative. Let F comma G comma H belongs to A of G. That gives F, G, H are bijective mappings on A of G. That is, F, G, H are one mappings and F, G, H are onto mappings on G. We know that composition of mappings is associative on a group G. That gives F circle G circle H is equal to F circle G circle H for all F, G, H belongs to A of G. Third one, identity property. Let F comma IG belongs to A of G, where F and IG are two automorphisms of G. Now F circle IG of X is equal to F of IG of X. F of IG of X means F of X. Since IG of X is equal to X, and IG circle F of X is equal to IG of F of X. IG of F of X is equal to F of X. That is, F circle IG is equal to IG circle F is equal to F. This means IG is the identity in A of G. Fourth one is inverse. Let F belongs to A of G. F belongs to A of G means F is an automorphism of G. F is one onto and homomorphism. That is, F is a bijective mapping on G. Since F is a bijection on G, then F inverse exists, and F inverse is also bijective mapping on G. Now F circle F inverse of X is equal to F of F inverse X. F inverse X is equal to Y, then we get F of Y is equal to X. that is equal to Ig of x, since Ig of x is x. Again, F inverse circle f of x is equal to F inverse of f of x. Let f of x is equal to p, then we have F inverse p is equal to x, that is equal to Ig of x. Therefore, F circle F inverse equal to F inverse circle F is equal to Ig. This means every element in A of G having inverse element. Therefore, A of G is a group with respect to the composition of mappings, hence completed. Thank you all for listening to me so far.